Keep moving, easy now. Next one in lane 3. All 20 arrived safely. Mark that down.
Yes, Supervisor. They look healthy.
All clear on lane 3. Moving the next group up now.
Tag 059er confirmed. Proceed to chute C.
Copy that. Records updated. Check the rear flank, still showing residue. Copy that. Applying targeted spray now.
Scan looks good. Record is healthy.
Confirmed. Next animal in lane 3.
ID number 724. Condition looks excellent.
Recording health score of 9. Assessment complete.
Check the renal panel reading here, Doctor.
Acknowledged. Proceed with wrap and release. Status check complete. Clear for release. Acknowledged. Proceed.
All examinations for this lane are complete and verified.
Confirmed. Finalizing digital records and printing the summary now.
The flexibility meets the standards. Tagging the approved piece and updating the digital records now.
The stitching looks perfect on this one. Confirmed. Approved for packaging.
Ensure the consistency on this edge meets the durability standard. The thickness is within tolerance, Supervisor. Excellent. This batch is approved.
The alignment is perfect according to the template. You can start the processing.
The horn rings move to the shaping department where workers refine their form. Specialized equipment smooths rough edges and creates uniform bracelet dimensions. The natural horn texture is preserved while achieving this premium, luxurious finish. Quality is monitored at every stage.
These meet all the criteria. The shine is exceptional. Approved for sorting. Move them to the finished trays.